Understanding the phrase, swooning over. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, swooning over. This phrase can add a flavorful touch to your English conversations, especially when talking about admiration or affection. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. Swooning over is a phrase that you might hear in movies, songs, or read in books. To swoon means to faint from extreme emotion. However, when we say someone is swooning over something or someone, it means they are overwhelmed by admiration or enamored. It's often used to describe someone who has a strong, typically positive, reaction to someone else's qualities or actions. The term swoon has an interesting origin. It comes from the Old English slogan meaning to suffocate and later evolved to mean faint from emotion. This dramatic reaction was depicted in classic literature and cinema, where characters might faint when overwhelmed by love or passion. Today, we use swooning over in a less literal, more figurative sense. Using swooning over can be quite simple. Here are some examples. She was swooning over the lead singer's voice. I'm swooning over these beautiful sunset views. He's been swooning over the idea of traveling to Paris. Notice how the phrase can be used for both people and experiences or ideas. A common mistake learners make is using swooning over in a negative context. Remember, it's typically used to express strong, positive feelings. So, saying, he's swooning over his lost keys, wouldn't make sense, as it's a frustrating situation, not an admirable one. Let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using swooning over. Think about something or someone that you greatly admire or that excites you, and form a sentence around that. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope you're now feeling confident using the phrase, swooning over, in your conversations. It's a fun, expressive way to convey admiration and excitement. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be swooning over how naturally it comes to you in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.